Okay, children, sorry. Okay, children, now let's start. So today we are going to study 2000, we are going to do 2019 A-level MCQ paper. So here, I'm going to teach you how to write reviews and how to study using a paper. Okay, so here, how to study using an A-level paper for your exam is what I'm going to teach you. Okay, so what is the first question here is the basic structural and functional unit of life. What is it? Everyone know that it is a cell. No, it's directly in your resource book. I think it's in page 24 of your grade 12 resource book. Okay, so that's the basic structural and functional unit of life, that is a cell. That's directly in your book, so even a grade 8 student can answer that question. So that's an easy part. So let's see, the second one is some nucleotides. They're talking about nucleotides. So here, if they talk about nucleotides, we have to see what we know about nucleotides. No, what is our knowledge about nucleotides? What do we know about it? We know the structure of nucleotide. No, what is it? It has a the structure of nucleotide. It has a pentose sugar. Okay, it has a nitrogenous base and it has a phosphate group. We know this. No, it has this is a phosphate group of it. It has a phosphate group. It has a pentose sugar in it, and then it has a nitrogenous base, right? So these three are the components of nucleotides. And what do we know? What else? So what is a nucleotide? Right? So nucleotide is a monomer. This nucleotide is a monomer of what? Of nucleic acids. Okay, now let's see about nucleic acids. Let's see what we know about nucleic acids. Let's recall that knowledge of us. So nucleic acids means they are what? They are polymers. They exist as polynucleotides, which is made up of monomers called nucleotides. That's the sentence you have to remember. No? And the nucleic acids, if you take, a nucleic acid is made up of what? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. These are the components of nucleic acid. So you have to remember those things as well, right? And then what you have to remember is nucleic acids are macromolecules, biopolymers. Okay, these things you have to recall when you study this. But you have to know is nucleotides. What are nucleotides? Nucleotides mean it contains hexose sugars. First question itself. The first is wrong. No, it doesn't contain hexose sugars. It has pentose sugar. No? So act as coenzymes. Sorry, act as organic coenzymes, they say. Is that answer correct? Okay, let's keep it. Serve as enzymes. Do nucleotides serve as enzymes? Definitely not. No? They act as coenzymes, they say. In the functions of nucleotides, they act as coenzymes, but they doesn't serve as enzymes. They act as oxygen carriers. Is it correct? That is also wrong, no? They doesn't act as oxygen carriers or serve as food reserves, also wrong. So act as organic cofactors and act as coenzymes can be questionable for you all. Now how to distinguish like how can we distinguish that answer? Like it acts as an organic cofactors. How does it? It's not directly in the book, no? Act as organic coenzymes. How can act as organic cofactors? Organic cofactors and coenzymes are same. Okay, cofactors and coenzymes mean same. So that way you can take that question, that answer as correct. Act as coenzymes, act as organic cofactor. That's correct. Okay. So enzymes means serve as enzyme. What does it mean? Cofactor. Organic cofactor means helping a molecule. A carbon containing like a helper molecule. It's organic cofactor, right? So like organic cofactors, that generally you call them as coenzymes as well. So that is same thing. What is it giving? The meaning of cofactors and coenzyme is same. And then if it is like serve as enzymes means it has an enzymatic activity. It acts as an enzymes. Got it? Like it speeds up the reaction. It acts as an enzyme by speeding up a chemical reaction, right? So that means it is wrong. Nucleotide is not serving as an enzyme. It acts as a organic cofactor or coenzyme, or act as a organic cofactor or act as a coenzyme is also correct. right? So that answer is answer number 2. Okay. So while studying now this unit, I mean this part, you have to know a lot, right? To answer this question properly, you have to have a thorough knowledge about nucleotides. So you have to be very careful and slowly read it and answer because these are critical. Got it?